Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to disable and reactivate your Discord account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Discord account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Discord app. Here I go. Your profile appears. Now at the top you can see that account option, tap on that. Now scroll down. Here you can see option disable account, tap on that. Now you have to enter your password. After you enter your password, tap on OK. You can see that I have easily disabled my Discord account. Now I'm gonna teach you how to reactivate your Discord account after disabling it. Now again you have to tap on login. Now you have to enter your email or phone number. Now you have to enter your password here. Now you have to tap on login. Here you have to tap on restore account. You can see that I have easily reactivated my Discord account. In this way, you can easily disable and reactivate your Discord account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.